just really neat how lit up it is. It's actually hazy outside, but you can just see like these, look at these on the camera, they just got these huge light bulb things, you know, like that one back there at the end. They just, with the white ceiling and the reflection on the other side, there's just a lot of light in here. And it just makes it really, really sweet, because now, I mean, I could sit here before with a light, I was struggling to be able to even use my computer in here without the door open because there just wasn't enough light. And now with this, I mean, this is just fantastic. This is super lit up. In fact, I'm not going to put the other window I was going to put back here in the bedroom area, and I was going to put another one back over here on this wall to give a better view and things like that. But now I'm just not going to do that because I think it's just going to expose the north side of the container too much to do that and have air leaks. I am still planning. I kept one window. I took the other ones back today, and I was going to take that window back, but I didn't. I think we're going to plan on putting it somewhere up in this area as part of the bathroom. So I think that'll be okay to get some light and some fresh air into the bathroom. There is a sacrifice as far as, you know, are you going to get that north wind blowing in there or whatever? We'll just have to deal with that.